Brilliant.
Oh my gosh, there's a traffic
Holy
jam
shit,
there. A
Josh.
traffic jam of boats.
That's crazy.
Is that just Memorial Day celebration? Wow.
What a difference compared to when we came out
Yeah.
last time. It is packed. Torrance ground, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango at pumps for runway 29 right, I have India.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango Torrance ground on 29 right, taxi via Echo, Alpha Juliet.
Echo Alpha Juliet to 29 right, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Torrance Tower, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, holding short 29 right, 4 straight out departure.
Number 135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance Tower, runway 29 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 29 right, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Are you a better pilot? You're a better pilot now.
He's definitely more educated than I am.
Yeah.
He's more educated than I am. I mean, I just dream of an instrument rating. Are you going to go just straight in at 500?
Yeah, might as well, I guess,
Yeah.
right?
I was just concerned of traffic coming down the coast. That's my only worry.
Torrance Tower, can we make a right turn at the beach and just head down towards Manhattan Beach Pier and then transition back south, 5 Whiskey Tango?
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, approved as requested.
Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
So the plan of action, if we have an engine on low level, is just land near the beach, but probably not on the beach today. Cameras are rolling, yeah? Boom.
Cameras are rolling. Have a tiny bit more height coming through here, maybe. I figure if we get the underwing camera this way, then Matthew will be on the correct side coming back the other way for...
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Lean into the wind a little. So the other thing is the bike paths are open now, so they are full.
Oh wow,
Look
yeah.
at this.
Like
What-
ants.
Wow. What a difference compared to when we came out last time. It is packed. And Orange County beaches were unbelievable. Like, really unbelievable.
Everything's
Pull up the
getting
chart.
packed.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, frequency change approved.
Should we just stay on with you and transition back to the south, 5 Whiskey Tango?
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, roger. Remain as frequency.
Okay, there's a
Remain
plane
frequency
200 feet
and,
below, coming straight at us.
Okay.
So just keep an eye, I think we're good.
Yeah. 400 feet below us.
You got him?
Yeah, I've got him. Okay, so I've climbed higher.
Is that him there?
Yeah, that's in there, yep.
That's true, eh?
Terrain.
Yeah, you got it.
I got him. How you doing there, Matthew?
Great.
And we've made a southbound turn, transitioning through to PV, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, roger.
And then just over this, then maybe just get in a little bit like that.
Over.
Yeah.
Man, there's a lot of people out today.
Yeah, look at that. Now that's packed.
Terrain.
I mean, compared. Torrance Tower, can we be frequency change approved, 5 Whiskey Tango?
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, affirmative.
Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
And low level traffic, PV practice area 5 Whiskey Tango, Blue 1 low wing coming around PV point, low level, and we're going to be south and eastbound.
Terrain
I
ahead.
think I just got some of those nice houses. Oh wow, look at this. The whale watching area.
Wow.
The car park is jam packed. I'll try and get that on camera. And the other car park for the walking path is
Wow, it's so
completely
different, it's like a
full.
different place. I wonder if Terranay is going to be packed.
No, so yesterday it was completely empty still. So
Ah.
obviously they're not open. I'll just lean this way and then I'll try and...
PV practice, low level traffic, 5 Whiskey Tango, Blue 1 low wing is just south of Terranay, low level coastwise eastbound.
Okay, yeah, and again, we're going to do this procedure towards the golf course in about another 2 minutes.
Okay, we'll be passing golf course shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Matthew, do you know what that beach is?
I do not.
That's Portuguese Bend, isn't it?
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
So it must still be closed because there's nobody on there. There's some people on the beach here, but I want to try and get Trump Golf Course.
Caution.
Every green.
Oh, there's a golf
yeah.
car race going on.
Yeah, there's golf. It was full up yesterday, completely full up golf carts on every
Oh wow.
fairway.
And low level traffic,
sorry.
PV practice area, 5 Whiskey Tango, eastbound, just passing Trump Golf Course now, coming up Point Furman, 500 feet.
Yeah, so even these quiet beaches that normally have almost nobody on them, pretty darn busy. Try and get this in the shot. People fishing off the rocks.
Harbour traffic, 5 Whiskey Tango, Blue 1 low wing, just coming past Point Furman, eastbound along the breakwater, 500 feet.
I think I got him. So there's still a good 20 or more oil tankers out here.
Yeah?
We counted them yesterday. I think we got up to 20 or 21.
Really? Yeah?
I think there were more previously. I mean, look, there's 3 just in the harbour there right now. I'll try and get him with my under wing camera. Ah, fuck it. I'm not going to get up in time.
Yeah, you'll get him. Bob. So what, any airspace issues? Yeah, just go down as long as we're below 3.5, 1.5.
The busiest beach yesterday was Huntington Beach.
Which is what, further down?
It's just straight out off John Wayne, so it's just...
And
like
it's got to be low level and we're good.
Okay, so as long as we stay out of this class Delta here. Oh, so here it is here, we're already here. So that's Huntington Pier there. And holy shit.
Oh yeah, it's really crowded.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Run there, yeah, wow.
Yeah, it was yesterday, it was unbelievably packed. So maybe if we could stay out over the water and go a bit lower here.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. The Orange County's a lot more open than we are. So they've got restaurants open now. They've got,
Really?
yeah.
Wow. So I wonder, we're going to see soon, the next 2-3 weeks are going to be telling, eh?
Yeah. I can slow down. You want me to slow down a little?
Maybe. That's a lot better, actually.
Oh,
Okay.
this is motoring. Look at this, it's dense here. Man.
I'll just pull out a little here and up a little and then... Oh, so it was actually busier yesterday.
Really?
Is this Newport Beach? Yes, Newport Beach. Wow, look at that.
This is pretty crowded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crowded.
Okay, Newport wins.
Newport wins, yeah.
Newport wins for sure. There's nobody on the pier's closed down, so. Oh yeah, there we go, look.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can get that beach, Matthew. I can't
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't get too close because the well, we can go
Wow.
over the beaches at
No,
500
I'm
feet on the way
getting
back.
that beach is packed.
That right.
Yeah, look at it.
That
Wow.
one is freaking packed.
Yeah, that's like New York.
You gotta
right
go
there.
because of
Go to the coast and just
yeah. Yeah, that's the fullest one so far. Wow,
Let's
look
go.
at all those boats. Look at here. It's just like brilliant.
Oh my gosh, there's a traffic
Holy
jam
shit.
there.
Oh my
A
God.
traffic jam of boats.
That's crazy.
I wonder if I got that on the wing camera.
That's insane.
Yeah, I'm
Sorry,
520 feet now.
Sorry.
Everyone's out.
That
So,
was so amazing.
That was
so
insane.
Donald Trump was
Look at
correct
this.
when he
It's
said
like-
the virus will be gone by Memorial Day.
This is
Yeah.
I don't see any virus, do you?
Yeah, I don't see any.
But I can wait till the next week.
Like way yeah.
Wow.
So those are all the busiest beaches now. So now it's quite standard. There's one bay up here that has a ton of boats in it. So it must be a common bay for people to come and anchor. Maybe we can just, I think it's just around the corner.
100 feet,
Okay.
3 or 4
I'm
miles still.
just going to see if I can get this on my wing camera.
Wow, look at that. Cool.
Look at all these boats.
Oh my goodness.
Is
all
that
anchored.
all?
They're anchored.
Yeah.
They're not moorings.
That's crazy.
That's like is that just Memorial Day celebration? Or
Yeah.
are they virus hunting?
But we can turn here. There's really not much after this.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Do we turn?
So you got that guy?
Yep. We're 540 feet, 560 feet.
Wow, these guys are closer than 6 feet. We have to report them.
Look at the boats. Well, I think we've got, I mean, as long as we get Huntington, I think we're good. So we're 540 feet now. That was another busy
500
one.
feet above us here. It looks like ants when they're around a puddle of water and they're just a little bit away and they go dip and go back like that. They make this line. Weird.
Okay, so I'll go a smidge over, I'll just go like 540 feet. Yeah, Orange County is definitely a bit more free and easy than us.
So we're catching up on this boy in front of us a little bit.
Yeah, I've got him in sight.
Oh, you have?
Right there, yeah.
Fuck, I think I'm gonna need my eyes tested.
So I think that was probably the busiest stretch that we just went over.
Yeah.
I agree.
So we counted these guys yesterday, tried to get some footage, but I think my camera was off. I think we should contact the military and see if we can do a deal to land on one of the aircraft carriers.
Wow, that would be amazing.
Oh, so that looks like it'll probably be a good shot off the wing there.
Yeah.
You mean like that? Yeah.
Yeah, coming back, just catching some of these oil tankers here.
And harbour traffic, 5 Whiskey Tango, low level westbound, about a mile south of the breakwater, low level.
So last time, there was no one in the air just a couple of weeks ago. Nobody. Long Beach traffic, low wing sling is 500 feet over the break wall, westbound.
We'll probably need to circle about 3.
Torrance Tower, experimental sling 135 Whiskey Tango, Vincent Thomas Bridge, 1500 feet for runway 29 left. I have Juliet.
135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance Tower, make sure then runway 29 are left.
Thanks, Ray, then 29 left, thanks, by Whiskey Tango. Well, I think it turned out to be a good day.
Yeah.
How did you enjoy that, Michelle?
Yeah, I did.
True limit.
Now, is
Still
this
at
where
about
your
1500,
planes arrive from South
the
Africa?
descent is
The
approved
Long
to your
Beach?
discretion for now.
Oh,
They
yeah,
arrive
they
at
will,
containers, yeah.
Then they get a really short truck ride to the airport.
Yeah, very short.
And then they go back in a truck to French Valley for the first flight.
Whiskey Tango, runway 29 are left, clear to land.
Clear land 29 left, thanks, Bob Whiskey Tango. The auto land feature.
Yeah.
Quebec Bravo, towards right as I can.
Again, close your eyes and test it.
Procedure going on that you might be.
Yeah, you are the champion.
I'm the one that gets us into trouble.
43 Bravo, towards Roger, stand by.
Whoop, whoop. Perfect landing.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, turn left at Echo, contact ground.
Left at Echo on ground, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Torrance ground, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango at Echo for Sling Pilot Academy.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, Torrance ground, taxi to park via Echo. Have a good day.
Taxi to park via Echo, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.